Hello traders. In this video, we are taking a look at the Forex Sunrise Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how its four horizontal levels and dotted color changing moving average line appear on the chart, what these visuals imply about key price zones and trend direction, and how the built-in alert setting works. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow the LL imports, and here we go. As you can see, the Forex Sunrise Indicator plots four horizontal lines on the main chart, typically labeled H1, H2, L1, and L2, creating upper and lower zones where price has a tendency to react. These levels frame a central trading region, with the upper lines marking important resistance areas and the lower lines marking important support areas that the indicator calculates from recent market behavior. In addition to the levels, the indicator draws a dotted moving average line that runs through price and changes color between blue and red as trend conditions shift. A blue dotted line implies bullish conditions, while a red dotted line implies bearish conditions, giving you a quick visual sense of current directional bias. Together, the four horizontal levels and the color changing dotted line provide a structured view of where price is trading relative to key zones and whether the prevailing push is upward or downward. Alright, as for the indicator settings, let's take a look. So the key setting here is the alert, which enables notifications when important conditions occur, such as price interacting with the key sunrise levels or changes in the color of the dotted moving average, so you don't have to watch the chart constantly. So who's the indicator for? The Forex Sunrise Indicator is suited to traders who like to work with clearly defined horizontal support and resistance zones, combined with a simple color-changing trend line. It can be useful for intraday and swing traders who want to see at a glance whether price is trading near key levels and whether the recent bias is bullish or bearish. The indicator is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute or manage trades. It simply highlights zones and directional context that traders can incorporate into their own plans. As with any level and trend-based tool, false reactions can occur around the lines, and the dotted moving average can lag when the market reverses sharply, so it is best used together with additional confirmation and sound risk management. The download link for the Forex Sunrise Indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read more about how its levels and dotted line are calculated and see example charts on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more videos on level-based and trendline indicators, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.